Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you the slimes that I'm stocking in my slime drop today. So the slime drop is today at 8 o'clock p.m. EST, and the link to purchase these slimes will be down below, so go check these slimes out. I can't wait to see you guys there. So first we have green tea honey boba, and it's a satisfying and fun DIY clay slime. It comes with a clay to sculpt and mix into the slime, and the slime you mix it into is a 2-layered butter and jelly slime. Mixing the slime and clay is super satisfying, and the end result is inflating and very sizzly. I'll be showing you how to sculpt the clay in a future video, so stay tuned. Next I'm showing you just a few clips of my clear slime. So I stocked a couple scented clear slimes with charms in them. You can choose which one you want in my shop. They're super thick and clear slimes. These next two are just a couple ones that are already in stock, so don't forget to check out my last slime drop video for their descriptions. Besides these 4 slimes, I have so many other slimes in stock, so yeah, definitely shop, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to shop these slimes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!